get a lot of jobs, I tend to accumulate a lot of scrap in the back of the bed. So once in a while, I gotta clean it all up. So today I'm gonna be showing you how that process works. Alright, so first we gotta pull up to the scale to get our total weight. Man, this is a bumpy ass road. Oh, definitely need to slow down. See that traffic light up there that's green? It shouldn't say green, it should be red right now, but because there's a truck on the scale already. Alright, it's our turn. Pull up. Our weight is about 10,840. Alright, now we just take our steel and throw it back there. This is where all the heavy stuff goes. Oh my god, look at all that scrap. I don't have much, honestly. I'm gonna keep a lot of this. That's not trash. I just need to get new bolts. That back there, a lot of this is still usable and more valuable to me than scrap. But that cast iron, that stainless bumper, I don't need, and it's just taking up room in my truck and it looks ugly. So all that can go. So let's get started. All right, so this can go. This big guy can go. This guy's gotta go. Alright, that's it for steel. So now we're gonna drive to the scale and see what our weight is, and they'll give us some money for our weight that we lost. Alright, so we're driving back around. Just follow this truck again. Truck. And now we wait for this guy to be done. Alright, let's see where we're at now. 2,540. Alright, so now we're bringing this to the small scale. We're gonna pull up right behind this Dodge Ram when he's done. Let's line ourselves up. It's like a rotor graveyard. Alright, so now I gotta get this stainless steel bumper. Alright, got it on the scale. What's that, my man? And those two. Alright, then we get this receipt, which we bring to the control tower over here. Alright, then we pull up to the office at the front with our paper, of course. It's like the Wizard of Oz over here. And then we just hand them the paperwork, and they already have our information for when we first stepped onto the scale. Hello. So here's that.
$40. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Sweet. I just got 40 bucks for your trash, which is why your trash is my treasure. And I'm definitely gonna use this to buy lunch and some medicine.